Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. One of the major attractions during the Dubai Air Show 2021 was the Leonardo AW609 tilt rotor vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. A vertical takeoff and landing aircraft is one that hover, take off, and land vertically. The reason why this tilt rotor aircraft was attracted by many viewers is due to the reason behind the manufacturing of it. According to Leonardo, the AW609 is aimed at the civil aviation market, in particular VIP customers and offshore oil and gas operators. Manufacturing such an aircraft for the civil market is really an exciting option. In 1996, Bell and Boeing had formed a partnership to develop a civil tilt-rotor aircraft. However, in March 1998, it was announced that Boeing had pulled out of this particular project. Due to this reason, Augusta had become a partner in the development program, and which led to the establishment of Bell Augusta Aerospace Company. Developing such aircraft is not so easy since their purpose is to take off and land vertically but fly faster than a helicopter. Not many of such aircrafts have gone into production, but Leonardo is very confident that this one will be a major hit and a revolutionary one. If this aircraft clears all tests and validations to proceed to the production line, I am sure many countries will go for these aircraft for their VVIP transport purpose and also for civil market. Even India, who cancelled the 12 AW101 helicopters deal with Augusta Westland, can very well revive their deal with this aircraft. The AW609 is powered by a pair of Pratt & Whitney PT6C67A turboshaft engines, and these engines possess roughly twice the horsepower of a similarly sized Augusta Westland AW169 helicopter. The flight control software reportedly handles much of the complexity of a transitioning between a helicopter and airplane modes. Not only that, it also has automated systems which can also serve to guide pilots to the correct tilt angle and airspeed settings. Another major advantage of procuring such tilt-rotor aircraft is its capability to land in small airstrips and also in places where a normal helicopter or aircraft cannot land or take off. So I'm sure this is the best option for India to resume business with Leonardo once these aircrafts enter production. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slate Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.